Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing with the introduction of the assembly line. The same type of revolution is happening today across all industries in every sector using process automation. Hi, I'm John Kullmann, one of the partners here at Macrosoft. Macrosoft is a Microsoft Gold partner, has been so for over 15 years. And in that relationship, we've become experts in Power Automate. That is Microsoft's utility used for process automation. And people often ask me, well, how is this used in my company today? There's really 4 primary use cases or areas that are used for process automate. First is business process automation. And business process automation is helping guide people step by step through a process, be it your own internal people or be it customers. An example of this is a sales funnel. So your sales team has qualifying processes that they need to go through and various steps through a sales process. And business process automation can help guide people logically through that to ensure optimization in the process. The next is desktop automation. And within desktop automation, what you're really talking about is RPA, robotic process automation. And what occurs here is a computer is watching how an individual interacts with a screen. What do they type on the keyboard? What do they do on a touch screen? How are they moving their mouse? And it replicates these activities so they occur time and time again seamlessly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. An example of this might be in invoice processing. When an invoice comes in, how is it entered properly within your financial systems? The third is called just automation, which looks at a triggering event. So maybe a file is updated in a folder on one of your systems. When that file is updated, it impacts several different areas of the business. So an automated triggering activity based on the updating of that file, an email communication or activity requests or task assignments may happen that are sent out automatically to a group of people. And the fourth area is instant. This is based on a manual triggering event based on an instant. So if you've just completed a proposal and you need now authorization from your inventory control people or from a manager for maybe finance, several different people, you trigger that activity and an instant automation process happens where communications go out and tasks are assigned to ensure certain things happen within the organization. If you'd like to learn more about Power Automate and how it can be applied at your organization to optimize your processes today, contact me, John Kullmann at Macrosoft, and we'll be happy to share with you how we can help you and your organization improve your efficiency and your effectiveness so your people can work on the important, critical tasks and get away from the mundane tasks that occur day to day within an organization. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.